If you have an old, scratched, cracked photo of your grandmother or grandfather or any others that you want to restore, or if you are a freelancer and you provide an old photo restoration service on Fiverr, Upwork, then this video will help you. Because I've tried 5 different photo restoration online tools that will help you to restore old photos. Subscribe to my channel and check the description box for all the links. So let's get started. First, see the results. Number 5. Vance AI. Go to vancei.com. Click to upload image. Select your photo. Click Start to process. Here is the result. I'm giving it 6.5 out of 10. Number 4. Repair it. Go to repairit.com. Click to add photo. Select your photo. Click to old photo restoration. Select the format you want. And then start. Here is the result. I'm giving it 7.5 out of 10. Number 3. Hotpot AI. Go to Hotpot AI. Click here and upload your photo. Click to Has Scratch. Click here. Here is the result. I'm giving it 8 out of 10. Number 2. AI Nero. Go to ai.nero.com. Click here to upload your image. Click to start. Here is the result. I'm giving it 8.5 out of 10. Number 1. Hitpaw. Go to online.hitpaw.com. Click here to upload your image. Here is the result. I'm giving it 9.5 out of 10. And this is the watermark removed and upscaled photo. If you want to know about how to remove watermarks and enhance image resolution 8x to 16x, then let me know in the comment box and don't forget to share what tools you like the most. Thank you.